boss Lugalabi Mugobi gulu yakedde kusiba tailo ekawungezi ne ziyika ne muleka leero akedde kuzisiba kati mbadde enzigala ekinabiro bwe ne zingoberera
akozesa biki
alina ekivere kiyawo tekitegerekeka oba mulimu ki
ebyo abantu bakyabikozesa basibisa Arapex Style Adhesive tiles ne zinywera
Arapex Style Adhesive takyaliko kubaganya birowoozo buli ayagala okunyweza tiles ku kisenge oba awantu wonna gwakozesa ne UNBS yakonamu dastamp ng'omutindo kyekyo akolebwa Zident Tile Center ku noti 753 noti 65 M28
Gonza musindika ya sente eri abagalwa abo mu nyaffe Uganda ng'okwisa enkola ya tap sendi enkola eno nnungi ate nga yeesigika kati genda mu simu yo odownloadinge app ya tap send TAP olwono nawe weeyunge ku mpeereza ennungi mu kusindikira abagalwa abo kozesa promo code
Kasuku
nga toyawuddeemu abali mu UK ojja kufuna pound 10 Europe ojja kufuna euros 10 USA ojja kufuna dollars 10
Canada
ojja kufuna dollars 10 ate nga kino kisinzira mu nsi mw'obooli kati gwabadde atawanyizibwa mu kusindika ensimbi eri abagalwa abo okumanya ebisingako okufuna app ya tap send ebifudde byangu nga tukusindikira abagalwa baffe ensimbi mu bwangu ddala.
Shukra Herbal Solutions katwe faba kubuka mu kujjanjaba endwadde ez'enjawulo nga tukozesa eddagala ery'obutonde tukuwa eddagala erisembeza amagi gwatazaala tulina eddagala lya 3-in-1 muwoomya supu taiti n'akabugumu tulina eddagala lya kabotongwe ne syphilis nga bino tubijjanjaba ne biwonera ddala tulina ka tube cleanser nga kano kayoza enseke tulina ka water syrup nga kano kasumulula taapu ate nga abakyala twabaleetedde ka taiti piuzi ezijjanjaba infections ez'enjawulo nga naawe omwami ayagala okulwa mu kisaawe twakukoledde ka jab ointment tulina slimming pills nga namwe abenyooma mu size tukuweera ddala eyo size gye weetaaga ate nga naawe omukyala ataweebwa twakukoledde kabuweebwa akakugulirawo emikisa tulina ne ka return oil akakomyawo omuntu wo kubira aba Shukra Herbal Solutions katwe ku nooti 751-84-43-14 beba Shukra Herbal Solutions katwe.
Are you craving for that special meal that will entice your taste buds and leave you with lasting thrilling memories? Look no further. Spice Island Bulenga has got your answer. Natural, fresh and delicious juice, the best meals. Don't miss our daily specials from Monday to Sunday. Pizza Wednesday, Saturday Pizza Bonanza, you buy one and take two. Come dine with us and feel the experience. We are located at Prime Shopping Center in Bulenga, Mitiana Road. For inquiries, call us on 0704111720. Spice Island, we treat your cravings.
Welcome to yet another edition of Kasuku Live. Naye ndowooza ngenda kusooka nabba kubira mulanga bannange essimu ekaddi eno gye nkwasa wabeeya mpeereza bagiyita batya 12 Pro wano mu Kampala eri ku 2.5M ntandika okukwasa eyo kuba obuzibu bwe nnina nandibadde mbasawazi 14 naye nina software problem MacBook yange enkaddemu awo tuula wanzije MacBook yange enkaddemu so ebinza otakwatagana na software wa 13 ne gundi kati nina yange wano gye nkwata naye eno nina okuba nayo nsobola okuba nga communicating amwe nteeka ebibuuzo mwe nsomera message zammwe kati laptop kati esimu ku Saturday yavaako yokka nani shooting nevaako era ne wano ndi ku bunkenke ne wano ndi ku bunkenke simanyi okitegeera eno gye nkwatisa Access Max ebadde ekola bulungi naye ebigo byegudde screen n'enjo repairing nga benjiza bwevaako ekoye anyway but it's a Monday. Glory Man United, Man U won. Of course fitina ya wagizi byase nombo sima akagama sima energy drink temukaina you don't have it man, you don't have it yes. So feel the music now. Ngenda kusokera wa Kurthum ne Akram babadde ku pate ya Bridget ne Junior yawo Chengera Busaka Chengera graduation pate yabwe naye abaana beeraza amapenzi nande ne Abraham ekiro mpira twagula befenda nangamba Kasuku njagala onchazeeko abasajja mbasomese baagala batyo omukazi. How do they love a woman? Era weekend ndowooza ku Lwokuna oba ku Lwokusatu ngenda kyaza Abraham ku Kasuku live wano. N'omuntu gwe njagala okyaza omunanya kyaza male mabirizi atunyonyolemu experience ye ey'omukomera nalabe agamba nti ekiyaga kiri wali naye bamukwotinga. I don't want to say that he said, but I saw they were quoting him. Now mjala kusoka ku Akram then ate nkomewo omulabye. Now today nga sinnabagenda hano KFM njagala kusooka kuwa ku Sendi ku Saturday toka ntokisho live abasinga temwadira nnyo olw'ebizibu by'essimu okwekyanga naye yavaayo n'agamba ku Pulinsipo n'amugamba Pulinsipo kijja kumalamu. Pulinsipo alina fitina yasooka kuddaali naye olwekyo sitategeera abantu nabagamba ne baŋŋa nti Pulinsipo ate kati si level y'abano yayitawo yagenda naye sebeera mu mubali eno abantu nabagamba nti ekintu ekitagenda vaawo the battle for supremacy kwaba abameka naye bonna Kamiri akyabaleebya kati Pulinsipo ne Bebe ne baddako abo babwanira ebifo oba okitegeera naye era wamulabye ejjambu yagikanyugayo mbwe enkuba nnungi bwe batesudde ki stage oba okitegeera kyeggamba olwo akomyawo buli obuntu bwabwe bwe babeerabeerangamu. Then nalabye ate apostinga nti Rasta yenna oba atayimirira ku human rights abeera Rasclat nno ye tipi erongoose ennyuma ye Rasclat by definition. Of course Chameleon tali happy naye yaŋŋambye Rasta Pio kamutereke nsaawe eno I'm still basking in my glory kantereke Rasta Pio naye Sendi teyalinze ebyo yavuddeyo n'agamba Rasta Pulinsipo nti Pulinsipo beera serious bw'oba oyagala kubeera eri beera eri bw'oba oyagala kubeera eno beera eno tukooye. Ate teyakomyawo ne Katamba n'amugambirako maye Katamba yapostinga awo n'agamba nti waliyo gundi emuki lebo yate teyagala bayimbi baayo bapostinge ku show ya Kamiri kati kirego bakibanuguna abantu batandika okugamba ndowooza engeri gye balinamu issues ne Swangs akyagendera ddala mu maaso nabo naye teyaboogedde nti Swangs kale naye n'amuyingira n'amugamba get over it man, get over it. So yembeera eri awo njagala kuwa ka video kano sooka okalabeko. Of course comment zammwe muziteeke waawo. Abaana Pulinsipo amaanyi gagenda gabaggwamu kuba show yasala linagiraba ng'ate abasinga bawagira Sendi ne ngamba so Pulinsipo mbusalawo ekyokulala kkiriza. In fact Sendi yagaye nti Kamiri akuba ennyimba 5 Pulinsipo akuba ennyimba 5 Kamiri n'akuba lumu nesangulawo ennyimba z'oli zonna n'abanga atayimbangako 5-1. So kitegeeza Pulinsipo akuba ennyimba omwaka mulamba Kamiri n'afulumya mu December ne beerabira nti Pulinsipo yali ayimbye nako. Ndowooza okitegeera Eddy Beni ali wano agamba mu mpala naazo kansokemo evidiyo eno ku comment awo teekawo erinnya lyo ne gy'otweseza ateese ebyekisiru be prepared tujja kusinisa ebinnyo tugakuliise. So I'll be back when I'm speaking English. Nalabye ebinsinikirako omuntu akyaziza navio nabadde nsirise nga soogera. You are stupid. You are an idiot. Atamanyi nti omugenyi omuleka n'ayogera naawe kuba twamukyaziza ayogere. Mubyagaye munatidde oluzungu. Nze son of Namukasa. Do you know how much English I can speak? Now, better careful. I'm speaking English 24/7. Yeah, talk about your graduate. I don't know why I'm having COVID demondeka. So, but yeah, that's like what's up. I'm Kati. Okubala kanti oluzungu ndumanyi. I'm going to KFM. I'm going to be speaking English. Ate nga terumanyi lwanavyo. Mayimwe mujja ne musinika sinika ebyo ebinyo byammwe. So let me go and speak some good English. And of course, when I return, you're going to be listening. Kati ate kati bamuva Bulaya abatamanyi luzungu kuli abali mu ddungu. Leero luno kati mulowooza ndi mu kategole yammwe ninga mmwe simanyi luzungu. I'm not your level. I'm not your level. Idiots. Kati kamba we Sendi. And then I come. Ngenda kwogera luzungu ne Brian Mulondo. You said you have no kind words for Byokwewunza.
Yeah, I don't. Omanyi Byokwewunza olumuna ya behaving anga batuli bito.
We are going to come back and begin from there.
Ndetero oliyimba mwe yagambira nti omuziki gwange ngukuba.
Yeah.
Naye ne mwekweka mu bisenge ne muguwulira naye ke yakoze jjo.
We are going to begin from there. Tulabe talk and talk show.
As we have Mr. Navio.
Ndisi musanyufu ne principal. Era angambye nanga wali nanga nti gwe toyogera Kasuku. Gwe muondekere bulekezi. Nengambo why kamumulekere amulyo ba amulya. You're nice. Before we go any further, so what is the bone you want to pick with the principal? Principal yasoka nagamba mbuno enkuba nonji. Ngate nasura stage ninga ana principal kati fighter chichi.
Kakati principal yafuka weira. And omanyi ebintu bino biri bwe biti.
Nkugambi.
Tulina okukkiriza ekintu kimu. Si byakwagala kuwaana chameleon obaki. But of those three, okay?
Yes.
Since time immemorial, paka last, chameleon will be number one.
Of the three?
Of the three.
Which three?
Bebe, Bobby, chameleon.
He will be number one.
Chameleon will always be number one. Two, I can understand olumu feeling y'abantu abamu tebakkiriza kubeera mu mbeera nga waliwo omuntu amuli waggulu. But in life we should learn to swallow our humble pies and accept. Era ekyo kye njagala okugamba principle nti akkirize musically chameleon amukuba hands down.
Amukuba hands down.
Chameleon ayinza n'okuba nga akwata ez akuba ttaano lina aleeta lumu n'akuba ttaano lina aleeta lumu n'akuba ttaano lina aleeta lumu. Chameleon
akuba ennyimba ttaano.
Oli aleeta
lumu. Principal n'aleetayo lumu.
Kakati ebintu by'okupostinga.
Nkugambi.
Ebintu by'okupostinga ebyo ebimu. Unless nga alina admin nti ya runninga page ye. Naye ate ne bwabeera nga admin ya runninga page. Obeera ne editing rights to the page so you can pull it down. Okiraba omwana bw'ateekayo ekitali kituufu. And emirundi egisinga ba admin basoma ndowooza za ba principal baabwe. N'abeera nti alaba ky'olowooza kati n'ateekayo. Naye kimu kyokka kye yakozeeyo ekirungi kisho yabaddeyo ng'agiraba.
Ate yabaddeyo teyazze.
Akakripto wakalabye. Yabadde alaba online.
Online.
Era omwana n'amusakulinga bw'ati n'akasuulayo. Okay? So ekyo kituzaayo ku mbeera ya oluyimba olwo kwefulukuta manyi kw'oli. Oluyimba olwo baluyitaani Bobby mwe yagambira nti mwekweka
Matias
Butyampa. Kati naye ke yafuuse ke yakoze.
Yafuuse Butyampa.
Kye yakoze ng'omuziki gw'omuntu aguwulirira mu kisenge. Yet yandibadde ajja.
Now,
John namulabye.
John ki?
John.
Muganda we. Muganda we yabaddewo. Naye yazze.
Era nze bwe nabalabye nabadde manyi nti be bakoze advance team.
Nti yaddako.
Nti yaddako kuba show yasembayo gye twalimu. Yajja.
Ya legendary gwanga mujje. Yajja nga awangudde akalulu ku Lwokuna. Ku Lwokutaano n'ayiikawo. Najja. Kati nga bw'omanyi V for what? V for violence. ngenda mu comment ndabe oba waliwo wako
ebyo sagala biwa maani omuntu aguze MBs za MBs 2 oyo naye akuyigule
naye wana abaana basinga baleka oba principal bamuvaamu dda kuba wana kye bakola
kale
abaana bakuwagira wano sendi okufa obufi.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you too for having me.
All right, you're welcome.
How are you?
Is it true?
Yeah, it is.
She's gone, eh?
Yeah. Oh, you wanted her to keep her around?
Me?
Yeah.
But you know, these things can be discussed. No, eh? How are you?
I'm fine.
Good to see you. I'm okay. You too. Yes, please. International, we did a show in Sudan together.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Mwakona ko show mwenda we Sudan.
Juba, last year.
And
On East.
did you stay there like overnight? 3 days?
3 nights.
3 nights.
Yes.
You are with
And you wasted money each sleeping in a different hotel room. Or you saved
We weren't the
money.
ones spending on the hotel.
Innocence.
Okay, too innocent, eh?
Yes, too innocence. Humbless, singing.
Abatuwuliriza tuli mwami
for the third time or second time?
I think third time.
What, 6th? You only remember people when they get famous.
There's sometime you were here with Stabu and Natoro.
No.
You remember?
But you know Stabwana at all?
Yes.
Political statements.
Yeah. Diplomacy.
You know Stabu?
Yeah.
You were with her at one time here.
Yes.
When you were going for that show that we had at Garden City.
Yes. She's
The rooftop.
That's a good friend.
She's your friend.
Naye, do you abatuwuliriza
Wano
tulina Navio and we are grabbing him before he lands. We grabbed him in the air.
Yes.
Let me ask you,
Yes,
do you have that one musician you say I detest?
Detest? You know, for me, if I detest, I have to go and handle that. I have to go and find them. By the time I hate you, so I don't have space for hate in my heart. It takes too much.
So we share something in common.
Yes, love.
Exactly.
Yes, love first.
Like I don't have the word haters in my vocabulary.
Yeah. I mean, you, everyone. When I look at everyone, especially after I had children, I'm like, this is someone who's been through something, and maybe their understanding of a situation has led them here.
Okay.
Their upbringing, it's factors that are past me. You know, it's in God's hands. If that person takes it to another level or directly confronts me, I handle that. But other than that, hate is a very strong.
Otherwise, away from that, how is mom?
She's good.
She's good.
Yeah. She's retired out there on the farm. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, out there, Chitalia.
Sendi madde nsaba tusooke
Tuddeko mu Luganda.
tukole
Ati olwonkola si
Navio yazze tugenda mmuteekayo tusooke tumalirize kye tubaddeko
kale
principal y'omumazi
principal
n'omuteeka wali ogambye Chameleon amukuba 5-1
Chameleon any minute any day akuba enyimba 5 principal akuba lumu 5 akuba lumu. That is how big Chameleon is.
Kati Katsi yasuddeyo post ng'alabika okuba agiweereza bali bakulu nti baagaana n'abayimbi baabo kola endorsement.
Katz is my friend, but Katz should stop being a ranting dog. Okay? Omanyizi n'embwa ekiro ezibeera nga ziri you know that irritating noise you know that irritating noise at night kati ne Katz bwafuuse. Chino chenjo gamba. I'm not a Swangs Avenue apologist. Okay? But I just like those guys because they do good stuff. Okay? And we have to give credit where it's due. It is the only record label we have in the country.
Okay?
Swangs. Yes, we have some others.
Ate Leon Island.
It's not a record label.
Ate Gagamir. Ate Firebase.
Tugobe di master ngoleta fumba ruji. Bikanawi. So, Nwaji, for instance, avuddeyo emirundi mingi na posting ebintu abamu bye bagamba nti avuma oba ayomba oba akola bitya nasayo ebifaananyi when she's, you know, showing her
Cavicious body.
Cavicious
naye
body.
kirabika bulungi kyasaze kati nalabye Nwaji negamba bankuba endagaano eveeye wajjajja
eyetaka
nina endagaano zange nga 3
siryerabire bye byogera tuli mu ndongo olumu obligata awo omusajja yagala okukwana omukazi omusajja n'agamba omukazi nti bonzijamu kaadi y'emmotoka nga ngikima nga ngikuwa naye abakazi ababbi babeerayo omukazi n'amugamba ezo emmotoka nina ezimala mpozi zikyapa
lwaddakiika 2
ziwera
teziwera
naye gayi yansanyusa omusaba ekyapa made him sober up naddamu omulaba nga ne ku dance floor avuddeko ng'ali ku counter anywa bbiya
agamba ebyana kati bwe bituuse
agandi
kirabika wane tujja
omuntu olumugamba 1-2 n'agamba leeta ekyapa you know. So Katsi alime kubeera awo naye nga ranting ebitayamba.
But he's unhappy.
Let them find peace somewhere. By the way, kambabuulire kino abatuwuliriza. Life is what you make it. If you walk out of your house n'ogamba I've gone to have fun oba njagala kusanyuka, it's what you get. Nze lumu gayi kale oba ye yantumira bannamukoonako katono naye yali avuga bubi n'avaayo n'atandika okwekyanga. Kati n'obaawo ate yajja to confront me ne mugamba ono yajja okuyamba oli ne mugamba nti musajja mbadde nsaba osigale ku kyakujja ewaka bwe kibanga kyabadde kujja kuyomba because emmotoka yange ekalabuddeko ku yooli stay around naye bwebanga wavudde eka ng'ozze kukola ssente mu kibuga sigala ku ekyo. So Kats alekeraawo okurantinga. Ekyokubiri whether
adding in Vampino and Navio in the rant also.
Nawe yakuteekamu ate nga oli musajja ayagala eddembe.
Anyway,
ekyokusatu whether Nwaji Vinka Zafarani
naye kati Zafarani eyo gwe ntunuulidde awo kalabika bulungi ku swangs beautiful kamanyi but of course not hotter than my girl.
With respect to your wife, by the way, I'm married as well.
Yes.
Okay? With a very beautiful.
How many?
Married with one wife.
Oh, well done.
Yes.
Wow, we didn't
but I will ask for the benefit of the listeners.
Yes.
Navi, do you prefer it curvaceous or you prefer it lean?
Curvaceous.
Yeah.
I'm alone. I'm 130 kilos. And,
So something lean.
I need some nyama bite some.
Okay.
Yes.
Mukitegedde ekyo. I will reserve my comment, but I appreciate.
You also want something nite.
Ekimukyala wange abeerako ng'awuliriza.
Is she nite?
Mbadde nsaba bwe twabadde tukola prep ekyo tekyabadde.
Ngambira mutabani wo.
And Elvis.
Alina ssente zaffe.
Eh.
Naye akukubira ku munaana gwa kiro muliwa. That boy is going to get problems with me. Mukyala Makara yaweereza ssente zaffe. Naye akukubira ku munaana ogw'ekiro. Onywe ecupa 2 akola accountability. Elvis Sendi ogenda funa obuzibu.
Elvis sente z'abasajja zibawe.
Ate zireete misana tutandikire ku ezo. For example kati tudde oluva wano tugende tukwate position.
Azireete.
Aleete ssente zaffe ez'amakara tuzirye. Elvis Sendi ogenda tufunamu obuzibu.
Miley Cyrus with Flowers playing for you on 933
English
KFM.
now.
Better information and the best music. 36 after 9. Good morning. You're listening to The Mighty Breakfast is Brian and Faiza. Kickstarting this 27th of February 2023. Waking up all the Manchester United fans.
Thank you very much.
And we have a special one in studio.
Yes. Yes. We of Manchester United. What we are we of Man U United. That will be enough. That
is so
yeah, it's too much. How are you, Faiza?
I'm good.
You're looking good. I like those looks. Man, you look like a Rasta. Are you a Rasta? Now you know you look Ethiopian. Yeah.
I've been told so.
Yeah, you look exotic, Faiza. Yeah, it's your dad, eh?
You mean who's Ethiopian?
No, I mean like the color, this color, the exotic color is from your dad.
This from my mom.
Your mom is
Arab.
She's Arab. Then your dad?
My dad is also Arab, but he's mixed.
Yeah, chocolate color. No, chocolate color. Chocolate. Yeah. Okay. If we have a girl, we name her Lapobo. Yeah, she has chocolate color. Did you read that poem? Lapobo? No, Lapobo. Yeah. There is a poem, Songs of Lawino.
Songs of Lawino.
Yeah, there is a poem called Lapobo.
Ben doesn't know.
Lapobo. Black but not too black. Brown but not too brown. She's of chocolate color. Tall but not so tall. Short but not so short. She's of average height. Or did I get that now? Now, those days.
Did you ever use those lines on a girl?
No. That I was creative.
What did you use to say?
Well,
the girl?
No, I don't want to say my tactics because I still.
I know you have taken long to.
I still use them. I still use them.
1,000 flies.
Can't stand it over broom. Do kids still write letters? Like a letter comes from Nabingo to me.
Yes.
Like Kasuku.
As I'm writing
those days I was Isaac.
As I'm putting this pen on this paper. The ink cannot.
Then you put write your name across my heart. Then I love it. Let the world know that I am yours forever. Nothing's are easy these days. We wrote things you couldn't, even just sitting next to the girl. No kiss, no touching the thigh, no going deeper. There was nothing.
There was even signposts in the school.
Yes.
Do not smell bad touching.
Yeah, no coupling.
No coupling. No dark cornering.
If you sit with a girl for more than 5 minutes, you'll tell us what you're doing.
By the way, that's something that's very common in Muslim schools.
But these days,
these days, Faiza kiss.
By mistake.
Hey, by the way, did you see the boss's birthday message? You saw it?
Yeah, I saw
he gave us leeway.
Yes.
He was like, Kasuku, I've allowed Faiza to call you baby Kuku. But that was the literal mean Guanoma. So inside, he was saying me and you can. He was like, it is okay. We may not allow it at work, but for you two guys.
Yeah, you are exceptional.
Yes. We can't. No, we just have to be mature. Yeah, we are in radio. So I just change and say I'm at Nimu TV.
Yeah.
So we are in the same department. Yeah. Anyway, but yeah, it was quite the weekend. Faiza, I saw you with some hot friends of yours.
Yeah.
The way you took long to reply my messages. I was like, why the beef? You gave me beef or beef chikarayu. No. Meat and cabbage. Why? You console. You console.
He's busy all the time.
No, he's busy.
Now it's that time. He has moved on.
Yeah.
Please patch yourself up and go on.
Kasuku.
Yes.
Did the Gwanga come to the concert?
Yes, the Gwanga came.
Absolutely.
It was a sold out show. I was, there has been a battle going on, the old and new. In fact, Bebe Cole hinted on it just before the other previous date flopped.
Yeah.
He was like, if Chameleon fails to fill up this place, it is the end of us.
The old people.
But he was like, Katia fetuba togenze okujja konze. Kuba katiza atawo mbeera nine kuba jenjo chikuba mbaba bakindekedde. But
that was good.
The show sold out. I was so happy for him because he needed it. It's been a long time coming. And actually he had never had such a crowd there. He had never.
It is good to see Bebe Cool supporting.
And the show was everything we wanted. The songs, the production, you could hear the mics, you could hear the instruments. The stage was so nice. So it was everything we wanted. The only issue I saw was with the VIP tent. The way it was very fine. In fact, the mom told me, Kasuku, yategese mugamba, I'm not happy. Bano banaku bariao baraba mtabani wange me I can't see him bantane no VIP. I can't even see my son.
The location of the VIP is in that place where they don't set up anything.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's so far from the stage.
It was so far from the stage, and people had paid 5 million, 3 million.
Yeah.
They
put you on top there. You are seeing. All you are doing is looking at screen.
I saw videos of people walking from the VVIP close, like Nevatamla Pakawana wali kumpi where the barriers are, just to be able to get closer to the stage.
It's hard to see. Gwanga Muje was it was everything. He went to the Whale, sold out, went to Masaka, sold out. So I think for him on Wednesday he's going to Australia. But people, if you don't know Australia on the world map, yes, by one said it is 27
hours.
There's sometime I got a scholarship in Australia,
but you didn't.
I turned it down.
Why?
Man, that place is so far.
It's prosperous.
I don't know, but it's very far. And then it's still a colony of Britain,
like all of us.
No. Byokwewunza ya chafuga yo.
No, what I'm saying, all of us are really.
No, but for us, we have the word independence. But for them, the queen is still their boss. Actually, the king. By the way, yesterday I had God Save the King for the first time.
Oh, the anthem.
Yes, for the first time, I was like, wow.
Yeah.
And
so a couple of things about Chameleon's concert.
Yep.
Kissing, as if we say kissing. What's going on?
I'm trying to find out. And at a time when the whole discussion now in Uganda is about Bisiaga. It's, I don't know, I'm trying to make sense of what is happening. I actually hadn't noticed, because people brought out, I think that's like the third time they are kissing in public.
The pictures actually of it happening, and I've seen the argument, Kuku, that's brother, it's normal, and with that's brotherly.
In which culture? Their culture, it's not.
My brothers can't even hold hands properly. So I was a bit shocked.
Well, it was shocking also. I actually didn't see that part because, well, I came in, I think like I came in Gawizo is singing. Nenga umanyi when you come in, Kasuku bana yutusanyiso kula bori otia, this one is pulling you there and pulling you. So to settle well was when Bebe Cool was on stage. And Bebe put up a really good performance, same as Misach. I think what these people need to do, they need to select their songs well.
That excite
the crowd.
Yeah. So come to launch a new song at a concert.
Thank you. So it was. I don't know. I'm going to. I have an interview with Pastor Semper. I think later on today. He called me last night. It's like, I'm trying to understand. And he told me he was trying to call Chameleon, and I think Chameleon was on stage or something like that. I also tried to reach out to Chameleon. I don't want to draw conclusions, because, well, so I need to find out, why is he kissing his brothers that much? Or is it Photoshop? Anyway. Because I've not seen a video yet when they are kissing.
The concert,
you've seen the video?
Yeah, it's real.
I don't know. Well, I don't want to speculate. It's a very sensitive topic there.
It's very sensitive.
Yeah.
I need to get my facts very right and proper before I can conclude. But
we wish them good luck.
It is what it is. They are only men. Oli mchala yagenda, nono mchala yagenda America. So, well. Yeah, but that's more like it. But it's why I'll go back to the show. Yeah, he's written his name in the stars, so it's there. I don't think it's going to go away anytime soon. We shall always remember him. Now we had an award ceremonies in awards. They happened over the weekend, and the highlight was just Eddy coming to sing, and then Prima moves out. Yes. She moved out with so much fuss, like everybody could notice she has gone out. Yeah? Last week I tried to reach out to Prima Tanzirangam. She blue-ticked me up to now. I don't know why, but I want to warn just Eddy. I think the business of men playing with women's hearts needs to stop.
What do you mean? He played.
From the information I got, he talked to her, they made peace. You know, they have kids together. So she will definitely always have that soft spot. So he went back. Kuba Mr. Henry Yangamba already bali boogera nga bakukuta. Yes, when Henry was this one katibe. Yalaba ebyali e Dubai that time nono obagayo South Africa mwena bile. Namga Prima, it's that time. So he's like, let me leave this. Now, I don't know, because the person who was telling me says Prima told them, the confidant of Prima's, that just Eddy was like, you know, we should try to work things out, blah, 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 blah. Then you can just tell them, sit down. And then, Ojukiraku show, just Eddy was all like, okay, he didn't do it publicly, but you could see from body language and what na intention here in your Prima. Of course, the Prima yali yesawo bajafu wa sente bichikati kali akawala nakoba mine kageza ko kolachi kati ndoza o Prima na agambe ekintu nchina nchikoze echi. Then I think just Eddy withdraws at once. Na day wa Hindu we amtade Valentine amwanye, so I think she was not particularly happy. You know how you raise me up like this, and then you move around, I fall down. So I think yesterday you need to stop breaking Prima's heart all those times. As it was healing, Mr. Henry, Mr. Henry ngamaino kutabula mupirawo. Then you came back, go to someone do tabula pirao, omwala yagamba, you even take pirao on banja. How do you take Rusania banja? So she moved out, she stormed out. She was not so happy with the things that were going on. I saw Prima, she has some edited photos. She looks good, I should say. I don't know why men break women's hearts. Faiza, I couldn't break your heart. you know, Faiza, if I got tired of you, if we were dating and I got tired of you, I think like if I told you like we are done, you could really feel bad. Yeah. The way you are, there's a way you are soft, you cry easily and all those things. Yeah. I would just disappear. So what? Wallahi, I'll just disappear. You never hear from me again.
I think ghosting is such a bad thing.
Like going away. Because but then also there's I'll tell you, there's those ladies you meet and she's like so nice to you. Your heart may not want anymore. But you know they are those ladies who do things like you date a girl, she calls you in the morning, how are you doing? Are you fine? How is life? You know those things. She's going to buy you, like she's going to like Kuku. You know, sometimes when there is a girl I met. I know that her legs could touch like this. She was not fat, but those legs, one is straight, one touches the other like this. Not rickets. What is a nkobogo in English? I don't know. So
do you think Google has that translation?
I think you try to Google.
Let me try and
Now yeah, Bambi, that chick, she was with me like for 3 months. She does everything. Now this my title zang in Anjero, Yakuta title nezero. Yeah. So from the word go, I try to find something about her. Nichigana. But you know, there is someone who comes to you, and I think ladies experience it a lot. There is this guy who is going to come. He's ugly. You told me Nenga, there is a way he's warm towards you.
He's a good man.
Yeah, when you need like some juice, even before you ask for it now, like in the morning, he sends you javas. You know, simple things. Then after work, he's like, "Where are you going? Can I pick you?" Najana picking, and the guy does that constantly. You know, even after 5 years, like all over this, like the guy.
Yeah.
You go out on dates, you drink.
The man wants to be with you.
Nenga, you know, there's Kati then out of the blue. Kasuku naja. That he's hot, smooth on words. Na kule sechi chizike chochiri.
I think that happens quite a lot.
And it happens a lot because your heart just gets moved. Kasuku arrives. He's like high five. He's exciting.
You wake up in
Kasuku's bed. All the things we have been through. Look at yourself. Madam Gedazala bana bafana nabatia. Mwana phone no zinja. Mugamba oli wa Stone Age oli wawa.
Zinja thropas.
Tuliro mwana mugenda kutuzayo mu Stone Age muzale byana bizinja thropas. Bachelogist tewakyali ana aba discovering. Owachiteka chegama.
Segera.
Naye bandali.
Guy balenga kolera buli kimunga fayo.
Nga fayo nnyo naye nga waliyo Kikasuku kyo kifaayo. Nenga rechikulabye bese chikole ebintu. No gamba God of Abraham.
Muhammad of Mecca.
Kana ekisibo kijja abasiraamu musabe nnyo omusana guno guleme kwaka mu kisibo. You know, after this week, next week, I think on 18th,
ekisibo kyabwe
stand March around 20 something, 21st or 22nd.
21st.
Faiza,
you're Muslim. You're going to fast.
Faiza, you're going to fast.
Yeah.
Kat, you're going to be putting on. You're going to be veiled.
I think the first time we properly met.
Yeah.
Was during Ramadan, if you remember.
Last year.
I don't remember you fasting.
I think I did. You know me.
Kat, you're going to veil yourself. What?
Yeah. Let's get on there.
You know, there's something they say.
Mikey Bender and Chambers with Kuku Feeling are playing for your 933 Kfm, better information and the best music. We still have Kuku joining us this morning on the show. All right.
Kuku.
Wanji?
Faiza is going to fast.
Faiza, yeah. Muslims are going to fast. By the way, Catholics, our fast is going on.
Oh yes, Lent season.
Yeah, Lent season.
Hey, what are you fasting?
Beans. Yes.
But you like beans so much.
Do you know my relationship with beans?
Hey,
I may not love eating them, but I love seeing them. What? So my sacrifice to them is looking at them and not eating them.
Me, I'm not fasting. I don't fast the
Catholic way.
Catholic way. I fast whenever the need arises.
Yeah.
So when you fast when the need arises.
For example, my church was doing 40 days. So they gave us 3 options. You can fast intermittent fasting. So I was doing some intermittent fasting.
There's a pastor that died.
Up like,
There's a pastor that died.
He was trying to be like Jesus. Me, I woke up.
But there are people who do.
I was still young. I woke up like at, you know, when you're at home, you wake up like at 7, 8. Kati waliwo omusana ogujja at 9. Kati toli twanyweranga chai. Omaze okwoza ebintu, omusana ne gukkuba beeguti. Kati sawa nnyo ejjukira twalabanga firimu zino ebinajjere ebyabeeranga ku Top TV. Obijjukira. Tulaba that day basiika amagi. I think they were provoking me. Basiika amagi ne baleeta chapati ne baleeta emigaati obusera
osibye.
Around 10:30 my inner voice said, Kasuku, you're going to die young. eat. Wallahi, I was like, banange mumanyi, this will be it. I've never fasted since that day. I try so much. You know, in my adult life, there is a time I tried. I attended a fasting achiro. So I ate like by 6. I was like, let me just do at night. So at around like 11. 10, I had a noise. I was like,
the stomach.
It's the usual worms moving around. Then at 11, I had I was like, so I said, to fight this, I need to sleep. Because when you sleep, you can't.
Let me go to bed.
So I went to bed. I just drank water. Then I went to bed. So I'm there sleeping, trying to sleep. But my mind is like, you people, there is macaron in the kitchen. So Madam tells me, Isaac, you eat. I failed. Mokaga, Musamv, Kumonana. That is where the real drama started.
The devil's hour.
I first saw my grandfather. Serwaga is telling me, welcome. Then I felt, all of a sudden, my late mom flashed. Western Wasabichi. I told Madam, macaron with tomato sauce, immediately. With tomato sauce. From that day, I've never tried. I don't want to dare myself to fast. Welcome. Then my mom was like, Osiri walabichi. Ukenda kufa. I was like, bring food. Nasonga nani ya macaroni bagwao. Nandi omugati. Na sikirana na amaji. Nebampa ne chai. And then the next day it didn't work. Nagamba, I survived death by a whisker. Let me enjoy life. So, you people who fast, I wish you a happy fasting. I hope God grants all your heart's desires. Faiza, you invite us for Eid.
Yeah.
Brian.
But Faiza,
to invite us.
Definitely.
Faiza gwe.
Ewa, tugenda wa? Mutungo.
Jinja wa Mutungo. Oh my God.
Ne jinja sija sobola kujjayo. But they told me your mom loves me a lot.
Yeah, she likes you a lot.
Auntie Alabo, I have a son-in-law.
My mom likes Kasuku and Fem quite a lot.
Why?
Fem because he has seen Fem on my status. I don't know, rather his status. Because at the time he saw Fem ku status yenga amba de suit oba ali kumukono oba yali adijenga kumukono. Nakabanenga Fem alabika bulungi.
Then for me, why does your mom like me a lot?
For Kasuku, my mom has seen clips of him in studio here with us. So he really enjoys
me.
Really enjoys watching. She really enjoys watching you.
Well, that same thing happened with Remy's mom. And I will make sure I don't disappoint your mom.
Because you disappointed
the way I disappointed Remy's mom.
Yeah.
Sichecho. Thank you. Have a good day.